Introduction to Express.js. Express.js is a fast, unopinionated, and minimalist web framework for Node.js. It simplifies the process of building web applications by providing a simple and flexible API. Express.js enables developers to handle multiple requests at the same time without losing performance. Installation and setup of Express.js. Node.js and npm Node Package Manager are required to use Express.js. Express.js can be installed using the command npm install express, save in the terminal. Creating an Express.js application. Create a new file named app.js in the project directory. Import the Express module and create an Express application in the app.js file. Use the app object to define routes and middleware, start a server, etc. An example is to start a server listening on port 3000. Defining routes in Express.js. Express.js allows easy definition of routes, which are paths in the application. Each route can have one or more handler functions, which are executed when the route is matched. Example, a route for the route path that sends hello world as the response for a GET request. Tips and common error-prone cases in Express.js. Always handle errors in Express applications, possibly using middleware. Ensure to end a request-response cycle by sending a response back to the client. Be mindful when defining routes as they are case-sensitive and order matters. Conclusion: Express.js with Node.js enables quick and efficient development of robust and scalable web applications. Understanding its features, usage, and common pitfalls is important for building efficient applications.